So we got another one. This is from what was this from again? Let me see. I forget who this was from. Super Rare Games Limited, and this is that special project that's been announced. That was announced online and stuff. A special project of someone. It's gonna show the box, but that's my personal information, so we're not gonna show that. But they didn't know if it's gonna succeed or not, or if it's gonna be done. So we wanted to help it, make sure it succeeds and exists. But Super Rare Games gave me like a little card and a little thank you for your purchase. And it's the Mixtape Volume 1. It's full of indie games. It's on a USB drive. Let's see how to open this without damaging the bubble wrap so we can put it all back in this thing. So that way when I can put, when it says everything's settled, I can properly display it. So anyways, we're going to open this up. And as you can see, it's brand new. It hasn't been opened. It's got all those interesting games in here. So I'm not expecting to open this kind of thing. There we go. And how do you open this? It's this nice little box, and it's got a little mixtape. Let's see how we get this out here. As you can see, it looks like a cassette tape, which is pretty sick and rad. It's got the Super Rare Games logo on it. But wait. What's this? What's this? What is that? What is that? It's a USB cord, drive type thing, and all the data is right inside. So you plug this right into your computer. So it's like you're connecting a mixtape into its wrong position, like so. And we are not done yet. And then it comes with a little book. Shows two games. Get that. And we're going to show one more page. These two. So we're going to put this right back in here, safe and sound. This little thing. And then we're going to put this back in its bubble wrap. I got stuck to a bag of mine. Like so. And Sound like upstairs has something in Spanish playing for an ad or something. Weird. But anyways, it's back here, safe and sound. I was glad I helped make something weird and different come into life. Whoops. Forgot the last thing. So this is a super rare game thing. I don't believe I've ever bought anything from them before, but I wanted to help someone make someone's dream come true. So we helped them out with that. So you never know what you may find. Now see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.